Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I have no makeup on and I'm looking very fresh faced, as you can tell,
very fit,
I am going to be doing the power of makeup today. I really wanted to do like quite an empowering, kind of inspirational video, just to like kind of send a message out there and say that you don't have to wear makeup to look beautiful. It's empowering. And what I really want to say is how much makeup means to me, and I'm sure everybody else. Like, it's not just to look pretty, it's also a very empowering thing. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up. I just want to say a huge thank you for 200,000 subscribers. I'm speechless. I'm so over the moon. I love you all so very much. You are everything to me, and you really do make my day, and your support at the moment and your love it's just unreal. Like, I wake up every day and I'm so grateful for everything. So I love you. Thank you so much, and carry on watching for the rest of this video. So I'm already starting off with my Benefit Precisely my brow pencil. I bloody love this. It's so good, and you know that brows are so important to me. And yes, I have had my eyebrows microbladed, but I have done one side a little bit thicker because that's how I like them. And then I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as my base ready for eyeshadow. But even when I don't really wear makeup, I do like adding this because it just evens out my eyes. It doesn't make me look as tired, because your girl doesn't want to have them heavy eyes, you know. So I'm just patting this in with my brush, and then I'm taking the Origin 42 colour eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay. This is absolutely stunning. So I'm taking the shade 4 on row 4 and column 4, and I'm just blending that in my crease. Now, this is my go-to everyday makeup look at the minute, and I thought to do, instead of doing a really extreme glam look, I wanted to do my everyday makeup versus without makeup, because that's more of a reality. Whether you want to do a crazy bright pink eye, or you just want to, you know, whack on a bit of a warm brown shade in that crease, you are just enhancing what you have. You're making your eyes pop, girl. And whether you're a boy or a girl, you can totally rock that. Makeup has no rules, and I totally agree with that. Like, just adding this shade is making my eyes already stand out, and that is why I use makeup. I use it to even out my eyes. I use it to make my eyes pop. I love it. So then I'm taking the shade here, which is a really lovely warm brown shade, and again I'm just blending this in my crease. And with eyeshadow, I feel like it really does enhance your eyes. If I didn't wear eyeshadow, I feel like my eyes do get a bit lost, and with especially these kind of colours, it really does just make your eyes look like a better version of what they are. You're not making them look bad, you're just kind of enhancing the features you have, and that is the beauty of makeup. Makeup, you can enhance the features you have and really make them pop. So I'm now taking a darker brown shade, and look at that pigment. Look at that pigment, sis. I sip that tea. Oh my god, I love this palette. Like, even adding a dark colour on the corner of my eye makes my eyes look super sultry and sexy, and I love that. I actually really don't like my eyes. I am really conscious of my eyes, and especially because I do YouTube, I look at my eyes and my face all the time. And with makeup, it kind of just makes me not look at the parts that I hate. So I think it's so amazing how makeup can change the way you look at yourself, and like, it's just really changed my eye shape just by adding a bit of eyeshadow. It's honestly insane. So I'm just adding my concealer again, and I'm doing a cut crease. I'm doing this because this is just making my eyes a little bit more bigger and brighter, and again, it changes the way my eye looks, which is the beauty of makeup, or shall I say the power of makeup. So here I'm just blending the concealer and the gorgeous warm shade together, just making it look really smooth, and your girl loves a good blending the eyeshadow, so that is what I'm doing, just to make the cut crease look as smooth as possible. But I'm also not doing a really harsh look, because my reality is I don't really wear really harsh makeup every day, but I just wear what I feel comfortable in and what makes me feel the best version of me, and that is so important to me. But I do have days where I really fancy wearing a bright blue eyeshadow or bright blue lip or a red lip or literally a bright pink yellow eye. I really go on what my mood tells me. It depends. So I'm just adding my lashes now. Lashes are my favourite part, and I will admit I will go out the house with eyebrows and lashes, and that's about it. Even though I hate my freckles, you guys know I don't like my freckles, but adding lashes and freckles and eyebrows, like, oh my god, I love it. It's one of my favourite looks. How stunning. I love them. So now I'm just adding concealer. You can add as much or as little of this. It's whatever you feel comfortable in. You can literally cake that on, girl, and I will not judge. I am always about what makes you feel happy and comfortable in. So I'm just adding the Maybelline Anti-Age Orion Concealer. This is like the first thing, so I just kind of even out like a little bit of redness. You can't see it on camera, but I have a few like redness and meh. I'm just blending that in, patting that in with my brush, and instantly it just makes me look so wide awake. I love the feeling I get when I create different looks to match my mood, my outfit, or simply how I'm feeling. Now I'm adding my favourite at the minute, my Fenty Beauty foundation, and now I just add this onto the lower half of my face, because this is where my skin is a lot more smoother and it doesn't cake. I love using this to blend. Your girl is a massive sucker for a high coverage foundation. This is all about the blending, and girl, if you want to cake it on, you cake it on. I really do like spending as much time as I can to blend in my foundation and cover them freckles, because girl, yeah, I don't like them freckles. So this is almost like the look with foundation, lashes and my eyes. So next I'm using my Makeup Revolution Contour and Define Concealer. As you can see, the coverage is there. I want to stress that makeup isn't about hiding your insecurities. It's not about making you feel better towards others. We don't do makeup for other people. I believe that it's not about impressing others. I do makeup for me because it's what I enjoy doing. I absolutely love transforming my face. I love playing with makeup. Like when I get a new foundation, I get so excited to try it and blend it to see how it works with my skin. It's all about being experimental and creative and getting really excited about makeup. It's my passion, it's a hobby, and it's my job. So I just set my under eye with a bit of loose setting powder from RCMA, and then I go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 35, and I just put this where obviously the hollows of my cheeks are and blend it out as a cream contour and bronzer. This just gives a bit more colour to my face and it gives such a fab finish. I love playing with makeup and creating so many looks. Also a crazy thing that I've realised these past few years, since I've started doing makeup, it makes people be a lot more positive towards me. So instead of staring at me because I'm in a wheelchair, they stare at me because of my makeup. Like, people won't be rude, but they approach me because of my bright red lipstick or my lashes. I get so many amazing comments nowadays saying how much they love my makeup, how much they love my lashes, and that is a talking point. People won't be rude and ignore me nowadays. They will come up to me and they will talk about makeup, and that makes me so happy. Like, how crazy is that? Makeup is a talking point. Makeup breaks the barrier for me. People don't ignore me now because I wear makeup, which is insane, and that really matters to me. There's nothing more than a glow to one's skin, and trust me, when I'm in pain and I have the worst grey, dull skin, my glow is the most important to me. So I'm adding my Mary Luminizer from the Balm, and then I'm just adding some brow gel to fluff up my eyebrows because, again, I love a good fluffy eyebrow. Now, you guys know that I live in chronic pain 24/7. It's honestly never ending. It is so draining and just not great. But because of my pain, makeup was the reason I became so passionate. And honestly, when I felt like I was falling apart and I literally felt like I had no purpose in life but pain, makeup for me was a huge distraction in life. It gave me something to focus on. With makeup, you can never tell I'm actually going through so much pain, and that's the most incredible power that makeup has. No matter how much pain I'm dealing with, I know that if I have a full face of makeup on, nobody will ever know, as I don't want pain to rule my life, and that's why makeup is so important and, most of all, so empowering to me. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, it really does matter, and I will see you in my next video.